Circular Economy. Source, UNIDO, Ellen MacArthur Foundation. By visualgk.com. Solution to tackle global challenges. A circular economy is a model of production and consumption, which involves sharing, leasing, reusing, repairing, refurbishing, and recycling existing materials and products, as long as possible. In such an economy, all forms of waste, such as clothes, scrap metal and obsolete electronics, are returned to the economy, or used more efficiently. A circular economy entails markets that give incentives to reusing products, rather than scrapping them and then extracting new resources. This can provide a way to not only protect the environment, but use natural resources more wisely, develop new sectors, create jobs and develop new capabilities. The goods of today are the resources of tomorrow, at yesterday's resource prices. The Japanese concept of mottainai expresses that it is a shame for something to go to waste, without having made use of its potential in full. From linear to circular. Linear economy. Take, make, waste. Circular economy. Make, use, recycle. Four keystones to circularity. Moving to a circular economy that produces little or no waste requires four main things to be done. Narrow the flow, use less material to make things. Slow the flow, use products for as long as possible. Recycle, design products with their end of life in mind, so they can be refurbished, or the materials within them reused, when their time comes. Regenerate, where possible, use bio-based materials that break down to nourish soils, when we are done with them, rather than creating long-lived, polluting waste. Circular economy. Reduce environmental footprint. Generate increased income. Reduce resource dependency. Minimize waste. Why a circular economy approach is important. As well as creating new opportunities for growth, a more circular economy will reduce waste, drive greater resource productivity, deliver a more competitive economy, position countries to better address emerging resource security or scarcity issues in the future, help reduce the environmental impacts of our production and consumption. Circular economy barriers. Cultural barrier. Lacking awareness or willingness to engage with the circular economy. Market barrier. Lacking economic viability of circular economy business models. Regulatory barrier. Lacking policies that support a circular economy transition. Technological barrier. Lacking proven technologies to implement circular economy. Four things we can all do to support the circular economy. Get stuff fixed. If appliances and other things around the home break down, see if you can get them fixed instead of throwing them away. Check the instruction manual for tips. Or consider taking them to a repair shop. Eschew fast fashion. Clothing uses vast amounts of resources in our take, make, dispose economy. So, try to limit the number of garments you buy. Rent, don't buy. Consider whether it makes more sense to rent goods when you need them, rather than buying them outright. This can apply to anything, from a car to expensive wedding get-ups. Build smart. Construction projects are a massive driver of material extraction. So consider if you really need that house extension. If you do, think about using more sustainable materials. Please like, share and subscribe. visualgk.com